Okay, so we have section 10.7, areas of circles and sectors. So the area of a circle can be found when the unit circle's radius is known. The area or of parts of a circle can be formed by radii and an arc and can be found when the circle's radius and the arc's measure are known. So, starting with the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r squared. So what we're doing is we're taking that radius and we are squaring it and multiplying it by pi. And that's how we get the area of our circle. So just so you know, this will be in units squared. So whatever the radius is given in, say it was given in centimeters, it would end up being centimeters squared for the answer. Because what we're doing is we're trying to figure out how many little 1 by 1 centimeter blocks would go in a shape like this. So we've got to find the area of this circle. Well, they give us the diameter. Well, the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So if this is 14.6, then all I have to do is divide by 2 to get my radius, which is 7.3 centimeters for my radius. From here, I say that the area is equal to pi r squared. So area is equal to pi, radius is 7.3 squared. So on my calculator, I just type this in, and I do 7.3 times 7.3, and I get 53.29 pi, and this would be centimeters squared. So you can either leave it in terms of pi, or you can multiply it by pi for these, but on the test, it might ask you specifically to do just one of them. So both of these are correct answers, but if the directions say leave it in terms of pi, you need to make sure to leave it in terms of pi.